So I'm going to start off taking my Essence eyeshadow base and I'm going to put that all over my eye to act as a primer for my eyeshadow, and this will also help to make my eyeshadows pop. So first I'm going to take my Morphe 35B palette and I'm going to take this light lavender shade and pop that into my crease, and this will kind of act as my transition shade. Then I'm going to go right back into that 35B palette and I'm going to take the darker shade underneath that lavender shade that I just applied, and I'm going to put that in my crease as well, right underneath that lavender shade. And I'm tapping, like dotting the color on first and then swiping to blend. I find that dabbing the color on first gives me the most color payoff. Next, to further deepen my crease, I'm going to take my Morphe 35P palette and I'm just mixing this really dark purple with this bluish purple, and I am patting that on first as well and then blending it out later. So I wanted my crease to be a little bit deeper than that. So I'm taking this really dark matte purple out of my L'Oreal palette on a small blending brush, and I'm applying that to my crease as well. Okay, now it's time to cut my crease, and I'll be taking my Tarte Shape Tape concealer and this I think it's just like an eyeliner brush, and I'm going to use that to cut my crease.
Crease got that heat, boy.
So going back into my Morphe 35P palette, I'm going to take this really pretty shimmery light purple shade, and this is going to be my lid color. I'm going to take that shade and kind of put that on the top of the brush. That way I can pat it right there where the crease is cut, and that will make the cut crease stand out more. Now I'm taking the excess product on my blending brush, and I'm just blending out the harsh edge, the harsh end of that cut crease, because I really only wanted this to be like a half cut crease. So yeah. Now I'm going to take my NYX glitter glue and this really small Real Techniques brush, and I'm just going to put the glue kind of like on the center of my lid. I didn't want the whole lid to be glittery, so I'm just putting it on my center. Now I'm taking this really pretty purple glitter that I got from Sally's Beauty Supply, and it's called La La Lavender. And the camera wasn't really doing this glitter any justice, but it has like hints of pink and green and blue in it as well. It's really, really pretty. Now I'm taking my NYX matte liner, and I'm going to create a really simple winged liner. Then off camera, I lined my waterline with this Maybelline Gel Studio pencil eyeliner. Then I'm going to take my L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara and just apply a couple of coats to my eyelashes before I apply my falsies. So the falsies I'm wearing today, I got these off of Amazon, and they're called Aramika Lash, and these are just super gorgeous. Now, they are not for the faint of heart. They are really dramatic, so I thought this would be the perfect lash for this look. So I'm going to take that medium purple shade and apply that to the bottom of my eye. So that is the end of the tutorial. Thank y'all so much for watching my videos. Make sure you don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next one.